Hey everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well today. Just wanted to walk you through the last two modules because we're really almost done. Yay! We're wrapping up this normal versus deviant kind of posts, so you guys are still wrapping those up. Then we're moving into the last bit of content, which is coercion and commercial sex. Um, kind of ending on a serious note, but in terms of, sexual assault and rape, those are aspects of sexuality that need to be discussed in this class. So you're going to end talking about that. That last post is going to be due on May 20th, but I wanted you to also be mindful that I've actually posted your final exam. So it's going to be available to you as soon as you wake up in the morning, or if you stay up till midnight, it'll be there. It's got all the questions. There's 4. You're welcome. You can do them. You've done them in terms of content. You've already done this content. It shouldn't be very difficult. Just make sure that you write well and you include all the things that are relevant, which means you're going to look at the modules and you're going to say, okay, she asked me a question about sexual coercion. Let me look at this whole section and see what's in there. Oh, maybe I better include, this that says read me, or maybe I should look at this or this article. So all of this is testable material, okay? And then the very last thing you're going to do is you're also going to obviously do the post, the sexual coercion post. And then what's going to open for you, it's going to open the same day, is the participation grade, which you don't have to do anything about. That's my calculation of all of your discussion forums. But you are going to have to do one last post, which is also due by 11:59 on Wednesday, May 23rd. And that's what is shifted. So before the class, you had ideas, you thought of stuff, and then you took this class, and now kind of like what kinds of things have, become stuff you've understood, things you've learned. I don't know. You can respond to the prompt. You'll see it. But please be mindful that everything is due by midnight on May 23rd, which is a week from Wednesday. And I don't make that closing date. I actually wanted it to be Friday, but it doesn't let me do that. So you'll have to get everything in by Wednesday, May 23rd. Make sure you do that. Be mindful of time. That gives you about 10 days to write the final. You can start it today or tomorrow, but just make sure that it's in there by the 23rd. All right? So I'll check in with you next weekend, and I'll see you on the forums. Take care.